What's up guys, my name is Mike and watching TechSafe. So in today's video, I'm going to unbox Amazon Fire TV Stick 2nd generation. So let's start the video. So I'm going to unbox and give first impressions of it. So let's start it. So let's unbox the box. This is the box as you can see. There is the Fire TV Stick. This detail Alexa and Amazon is here. Then in here all the features of this like Dolby audio, Wi-Fi, quad-core, then 1080p, then what's needed and what's included, and all the things which this TV stick can do are written, and price points and manufacturer details are written here. So let's unbox it. So let's break the cellular tape in here, means seal also. So I break it now. So as you can see guys, there is a backpack box, okay, in which all the things are there. You can see guys, and there's nothing in this box. So in here only all the things are there. We are opening like this. So in here like these things are there. So the things I'm going to show you by taking out one by one. So this is the remote with batteries also. Amazon batteries will be there. Then this is the adapter, power adapter, as it is not running in battery. Then there is the stick on the main thing, which is the stick. In here is all the things being done. Then there is one more HDMI only, you can say. So this is the extension, because like this it's very wrong, that's why, because this cable is flexible, so you can just put this in like this and it will get attached like this it will become, and you can easily plug it in. Then in here the power adapter cable is there, and some, as you know, these things, some papers are there. It's not necessary to read it, but so if you want to, you can read it. So these are all the things which are included in the box. So let's keep the box aside, and first let me show you the remote of it. So let's take out the remote. So guys, this is the remote of the Fire TV stick. Okay, all the features are here, like voice assist, then power on off, then navigating buttons, okay, then home, back, menu, and pause, play, forward, down, means like this. Then volume controls up and down, and volume disable. Then this is the Fire TV stick. Talking about the design also, it's very simple type. Okay, it's full HD capability it have. This is the power adapter. You have to just plug it in like this. This one cable. Okay, it's like a mobile charger type only thing, but actually it gives power. Okay, you cannot charge this Fire TV stick, and just put this in like this here and plug it in the adapter. So let's move into the TV. So guys, I have set it on the Fire TV stick. So let's get into it. And you can see guys, Fire TV stick, let's come here like this. And the Fire TV stick actually set it up, and after I am showing you. Okay, it actually takes very less time to set it up, but if you don't have an Amazon account, you have to create one and then log in with that, because it actually Amazon account is running on that only. So now talking about the user interface type thing, it actually looks like an Android TV only. So it will make your normal Full HD TV into an Android smart TV. So like this, you can, like the remote only itself. Okay, so it's a newly upgraded, I think. Okay, upgraded version. And on the apps are here, and in watch you can things like in down, as you can see guys. I can see all my apps and all the things which I can view, latest movies. Okay, then you can watch in here, find, then live, Prime Video, Netflix, YouTube, Internet, App Store, and Amazon Music, and more apps. you will see guys, it will show you all the apps. So now talking about the voice assistant like Alexa, you can do the Alexa by like this only. Like if you tap this one button, this is the Alexa button, then it will be activated. Okay, so let me activate it. Alexa G5. So I will search G5, then it will automatically take to my G5 app. So guys, it will take now to my G5 app. As you can see guys, G5 has come. So then by just not clicking any one button, you can just access everything. Okay, so it's very good. Okay, you can search things by not moving in the keyboard button. So let's get back into the home button. Home. So it's the home. So it looks very good and it's just very user friendly. So it's very good. I've been using it for 1 day and performance is good. Okay. Now playing games is good only. I'm not sure you play games, but as you know guys, this is TVs are meant for playing games. But you can watch on the things which you cannot be able to watch in your non-smart TV type thing. Okay. So by this only, I will ensure you that this TV or the Fire TV stick is very good in terms of its capabilities. You can buy also the 4K version and it's the HD version. So I have given the link of this Fire TV stick. You can go and check it out, and it's a 4K version also. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel for more like these videos. Click the bell icon to get the latest notification of my new video first to you. Like the video and share the video to friends and family. So thank you. That was all to this video. Bye bye.